Hi, Dave Snyder here. It's the 29th day of January 2016. This is the pattern I was talking about in the Pacific. You can see here's the V in the Pacific, but this thing is totally upside down compared to it. But anyways, this is the same as the European V. Actually, what happened was crazy about this is I tried to overlay this picture. You can see this is the picture right here. See, I got it over there Europe right now, but I actually tried to overlay it over this. I actually was aiming for this, and then it just put itself over here on its own. So I was like, "What?" So obviously it goes with Europe because they put it down there all by themselves. The program did. I'm not kidding. I swear to God, it did. Put it right there. I haven't moved it, haven't adjusted. It might be big, it might be small. It looks a little big actually, but I mean not really. If you turn on the actual picture, I think it's about the same size, pretty close. Maybe it's a little bigger. Yeah, I probably got it a little bigger. But I mean, I didn't, like I said, I didn't adjust it. I just left it in place. But you can see, there it is. Fits right over that area, anyways. Probably fit better if I made it smaller, I guess. But anyway, I wanted to show you that pattern in the Pacific. That's how many? That's a lot of miles away from Europe, isn't it? Oh no, it's not. Yeah, the weather. I mean, this where it actually is. It's actually over here, up here, somewhere, thousands of miles away. Oh my God. So that's pretty interesting, anyways. I think because there's a lot of you can see a lot of the Sahara patterns in that area here. And anyways, I wanted to show something else with this. Since I got this Texas picture up here, is this Mare Oriental pattern. Unbelievable. Really is. I mean, because I've shown this pattern of Texas, this map of Texas with the Mare Moscovians that I have overlaid here, and that's like perfect too. You know what I mean? But it's missing some of the features in there, just a couple, and then this one right here, I think it brings it right out. I mean, you can see. I don't know, I can see a pretty good pattern there. I bet you right in the middle of Texas there's some kind of formation that matches that big crater. I see it being like right here or something. And there's another one. If you look close in this picture, you can see there's like something right here as well for that. Then where these three spots are here, you see like there's like three lakes right there. Something. They line up all right. Pretty close. But if you live in Texas, you know the geology there. I would imagine if you looked at this right now, if you were looking at this map and you're from Texas and you know the geology very well. I mean, I watched a video the other day about Big Bend, the Big Bend area, and I looked at the what do they call it, the mutation or the morphing of the rocks, whatever they call that. How it looks kind of melted and stuff like that. I mean, you can see why. I could see why. I mean, I understood as I was watching it why. I just wanted to tell the guy I was about that, but I didn't. I kind of refrained from doing that anymore, as much anymore. But you can look at this picture of the picture of this moon here, which is backwards over the Earth, and you can look here in Mississippi and Alabama. You can see there's the pat. Let me turn the borders off first, and there is an. If you look at it, you can see like an oval shape right there. Right? I can see it. See it right there? Okay, and then further than that, you just go up here and you see, let me turn the borders back on again. You see this area here, watch. And then watch this right here. Look at this curve right here, this line right here. Watch this. This is the moon, all by itself. You cannot see through this moon picture, watch. Look at this. And then you see this here. Look at it. Look. Is that crazy or what? I see it. Clearly see it. All the way up to that whole area. Right here, you can see something there. I just want to point that out. I mean, I've never really went through this. I mean, I have a little bit, but go through this picture and there's just so many things that fit. I mean, then today's weather. Look at today's weather. Craziest thing. but you see it fit. Look at that up there. Insanity. Just look at this right here. You can see this little area here. Let me turn off this other stuff. Okay, weather. Pretty nice. I mean, when you get all this stuff to fit, like when I lined this picture of this crater up to North America, all I wanted was this crater to be right here, the Lowell crater to be right there. That's all I really wanted. Once that was there, I just kind of let it fit itself, pretty much. I think I seen this spot like this in Oklahoma, and I lined that up too or something. The spot in Oklahoma City with that spot, and then this right here next to California, and then I mean you can see how everything just like I don't notice this other stuff till later. You know, like this and all that stuff. I don't notice that till later. You can clearly see it there. There's definitely matching formations there. And I'm not saying there's a big hole in the middle of North America, but we know that that's the all the flat area of you know, the plains or whatever. This it's all just flat through Kansas and all that. It's pretty much flat. So that's pretty interesting. I mean, it would just be filled with if there was a hole there, it'd be filled with sediment from all this, you know, the erosion from all the mountains that are all the way around it, and from the north. All right, I gotta go. Have a good day.